A circle of radius 5 has centre at 6, -4. Determine the equation of this circle. Well, we know when we have centre AB and radius r that it's just x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. So here we can have x minus 6 squared, then it will be y, take away -4, so that's going to be plus 4 squared, and the radius is 5, so that would be 25. State with justification whether the point 9, -8 lies on the circle. So if it does, it will satisfy the equation. So x equals 9, y equals -8. Substitute them in. So 9 minus 6 squared plus -8 add 4 squared. That's important. Don't write down the equals 25 here. We want to get this to be equal to 25 eventually. So that's going to be 3 squared. Add -4 squared, which is 9, add 16, which is 25. And the fact that that is the same as the right hand side here shows that the point lies on the circle because it satisfies the equation. Determine the centre and radius of the circle with this equation. Now rewrite it slightly to start with. So we have x squared minus 4x, add y squared, add 6y, and I'm just going to put the 9 on the other side. Complete the square here. So that's going to be x minus 2 all squared. Now if we square that, we get x squared minus 4x plus 4. We don't have a plus 4 here, so we need to take 4 off. Here we're going to have y add 3, and if we expand that out, we get y squared add 6y. We also get a plus 9 that we don't want. So we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals, well, if the 9 goes over there, that becomes 0. The 4 goes over, then we end up with 4. So we can see that the centre is at 2, -3, and the radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. Determine the coordinates of the vertex and the equation of the axis of symmetry of the curve with equation 2y squared is x plus 3. Now, first thing is, we know that this is a parabola on its side. Now look at the left hand side, 2y squared. If we had something directly added to the y, we'd know that there would be a vertical translation, but there isn't, and that tells us that the line of symmetry here must just be the x-axis. Now what we want here for the vertex is to find this coordinate. Now remember, on the x-axis y is 0. So if y is 0, we have 0 equals x plus 3, which gives us that x is -3. So our vertex is at -3, 0. The line of symmetry is going to be the x-axis, which is the line y equals 0.